The seaweed shrimp chips are ultra crispy and take just 10 minutes to make. Stick around and I'll show you the secret to getting the perfect crunch every time. Here we have some deveined shrimp. Use the flat side of a knife to slightly flatten each shrimp. Season the shrimp with salt and white pepper. You can also replace it with black pepper. Use kitchen shears to cut each sheet of rice paper into quarters. Brush a thin layer of water on a sheet of roasted seaweed. Place the wet side of the seaweed down on a piece of dry rice paper. Position a flattened shrimp in the center, with the tail sticking out. Top with another piece of dry rice paper and press down. The moisture from the shrimp and the seaweed will help them seal. What other fillings would you like to use? Comment below and share with us. In a wok over high heat, add cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. And heat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add each shrimp chip. Fry for about a minute until crispy and the shrimp turns pink. Remove and drain. Repeat with the rest. Season the shrimp chips with salt, white pepper, and paprika. And that's it! Crispy seaweed shrimp chips with a perfect crunch. You can also pair them with my cucumber salad. Click here for the recipe. Absolutely delicious, so flaky, so crispy. Would you like to give this recipe a try? Comment below and share with us. If you'd like to support and get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!